Assalamu alaikum everybody, thank you for watching today's video. Today I'll show how to use the freeform command in AutoCAD 2D in Solidworks software. At first I am going to take the top plane, then Ctrl 8, then go to the sketch and select the central rectangle and draw the central rectangle. Then go to the dimension, smart dimension, and determine the dimension. It will be 5 and it will be 3. Okay, close the drawing and go to the features, select the extrude boss, click on this point and it will be 1 inch. Okay, click, done. Then go to the insert and go to the features, select the freeform, click on this face of this object, then control polygon, add curves, flip direction. Okay, flip direction, then I'm going to direction line here. Okay, then add points. Here I'm going to add points, some points. Okay, then escape command, then here move point is showing, so we can move according to the direction. Okay, here we can show also direction, then we can here also move it. Okay, then click. Okay, done this drawing. Thank you everybody for watching.